here, so it's going to be a little easier for me to do that. But if not, all you have to do is search for the app, and you go down here, and obviously I have Clickfunnels, which I chose the app, and then you connect, which depending on whatever you want to do, but usually once I have new activity in ClickFunnels, I am going to actually just click new activity. I want to trigger. The trigger is when somebody comes to one of my ClickFunnels pages and opts in, I want to send them an email via SendFox. So connect to ClickFunnels first. Actually, I go in. If this is the first time that you are using Zapier and ClickFunnels, it's going to ask you to log in. So if I click continue, and go down here, and then obviously that is my ClickFunnels account because I'm obviously already logged in, and I guess you can create multiple accounts, and then actually all of my funnel steps will come up. So all of my funnels that I have are actually connected. So depending on which funnel I want to connect, I can just connect this one, and then all of my steps will come up within this one, which it's loading slow for some reason. If you can see, you had the little circle on there. And then if I want, so if somebody comes to, well, obviously nobody's going to opt in on the thank you page, but if somebody comes to this opt-in page, whatever this is, and they put in their information, it's going to actually send a message. So what it's doing now is actually checking each step of the zap. So I'm actually creating a zap. So it's checking each step of the zap. So right now, it wants to test to make sure that it is communicating successfully with ClickFunnels. So once this page should change, which I know I opted into this. So if I hit continue, and then I hit test trigger, as you can see, all this stuff comes up. So the test is good. So now I hit continue. And what it's doing now is going to step 2. So it's saying, we've connected fine with ClickFunnels, and somebody has opted into ClickFunnels, which what it does is it's pulling the last opt-in. So whoever the last person was to opt in, that's the data and the information it is going to pull. So what it's doing now is it's going to step 2. It's saying we have information from ClickFunnels, and it's trying to figure out where do you want to send the information that we receive from ClickFunnels. So obviously, like I told you guys, we are actually going to send the SendFox. So just like I said, if this is the first time you're logging in, you're going to have to find each one of these. Like I said, you're going to have to find ClickFunnels, you're going to have to log in, and then you're going to have to find SendFox, and you're going to have to log in. But since I have used both of these apps and all of my information is set up, then all of my data is stored. But once you decide you want to use SendFox, you go into SendFox, hit connect, and whatever you want to do. Actually, I want to find a list. So what I'm saying is, once Zapier gets information from ClickFunnels, once it receives it from ClickFunnels, Zapier is going to send it to SendFox. But what I want to do is, I want to send the person or the information that it has gotten, which is really, the information is really a person who has opted in. So I want to actually send those people, or to send that person, to a list inside of SendFox. So like I said, once you log in, it's going to actually pull all of your data up and all your list up in SendFox. So now what I'm doing is I need to actually, well, select my list and then hit continue. Create a SendFox list if it does not exist. So there's the information that we have from ClickFunnels. So what we want to do is we want to tell it what we want it to send. So we actually want to send the email, and we want to send first name if it has it. And we also want to send contact profile, first name, this. And if it has a phone number, we want to send that. And that's pretty much it, just based off of this. So if I hit continue, so now you're seeing that the app is good, and you can actually just turn on the app. But I'm not going to use this app. I'm actually going to delete the app. That's how you connect ClickFunnels and SendFox via Zapier. So you guys have a good one. Check you out on the next one.